Welcome to Mapme. Let me show you how to create a beautiful interactive map with no coding. To get started, create a new map. You can start with a blank map or choose one from our template gallery. Let's go through each option. Blank map. Start by adding a title, a description, and a logo. To add points to the map, click New Location. Enter the address and select the correct option. You can include a description, images, videos, and more. Review your work in the preview area. Template gallery. You can save time by starting from a template. Explore the gallery to find a template that matches your project. Preview it to see how your map will look once it's finished. Once you choose an option, click Get Template. Mapme will automatically remove the map location so you can start fresh. Add a location to your map. Select a category. Tap Publish to make all your progress go live. You can embed the map on any website or share it across social media platforms. Give it a try, and if you need help, ping us with the chat button.